natanggal. Hindi, natatanggal talaga to para kasyang-kasya yung mga malalaking lulutuin mo. This is the 12-liter air fryer from Kuchan. Bukod sa modern and sleek design na to, very efficient and healthy pa dahil this is an inverter type, so it saves up to 50% energy and powerful 1,800 watts with rapid air circulation that reduce up to 80% oil. Kaya no need to worry na sa electric bill mo and perfect pa sa mga ayaw ng oily foods. It also has 10 preset cooking modes for fries, chicken, pizza, cake, or kahit ano pang cravings mo. Meron din tong smart temperature sensor kaya naman siguradong hindi hilaw yung mga niluluto nyo. At hindi lang yan dahil it also comes with stainless steel, inner pots, accessories na SU-STO4, kaya siguradong safe and durable.